In last video, I told you about different types of plants, big plants, small plants, flowers, fruits, etc. Today I am taking you to a evergreen nursery and also a museum, Ram Gauri Sangrahalaya. This evergreen nursery is one of the famous nursery in Sikkim. Now see, this nursery has variety of bonsai plants. Actually, these are all big trees, but they are planted in a small pot, so size are minimized. So this is banyan tree. Here we have weeping fig, and also known as Swami in Nepali. Now like this nursery has different variety of plants. Now see, they are all big trees, but minimize the size by doing bonsai. Now I am taking you inside the nursery to show you different varieties of plants. Now I am inside the nursery. Now look here, so different varieties of plants are here. Now in middle of this nursery there is one big tree. Now look here, now this is a papaya tree. Now fruits are also there. It is so tall and big. And here one again weeping fig. See the roots of this weeping fig is so beautiful. See the aerial roots coming out from the branches, and these roots are very strong. Look here. This tree is more than 35 years old. Now there is another azalea plant also. I'll show you from that side. This is azalea plant. The age of this plant is 50 years. Very old plants. See, it is planted in a small piece of drum. See the trunk. Nice. Now again I am going to show you another one beautiful plant, that is pitcher plant. These are pitcher plants. See, these plants can eat insect. It has a opening called lead. Have you seen? I'll show you close picture. Now this upper part lead is opening, and when the insect go inside, the lead will automatically closed. And this type of plants are called insectivorous, and they can eat insect. One more big tree I am going to show you from this garden only. See, this is Nalina, one of the oldest tree in this garden. Now look here, they are so tall and big. Now what are trees? Big and tall plants with strong trunk are called trees. Have you seen the trunk? It's so strong, you can't cut it with a small knife. You need a tree cutter machine to cut it. Now see, so beautiful tree. Now children, I am taking you to my own garden. Here I have few collection of small plants. Actually they are not very small, they are medium size plants. Now I'll show you one by one. Now this is my orange plant. Now see the fruit also coming. Have you seen? Small oranges are coming. And here I have another lemon plant. Now these are all lemon plant. Here I have small lemons are also coming. You just have a look. Have you seen? Now these are lemon plants. And here I have jasmine. Now these are all medium-sized plants. Okay, now this is jasmine plants, but flowers are already finished. No flowers, only leaves are left. This is my yellow alamanda. Okay, and here I have hibiscus. Now I'll tell you the different parts of the plant. Now see, this is bird. Have you seen? This is bird, and these are all leaves. Okay, and here I have flower. Okay, and I'll show you the main stem. Now this is main stem, and see, these are the branches. Okay, these are the main branches, and root you can't see. Root is inside the soil, and this upper part they are called shoot, and the part which is under the soil they are called root. So these are the different collection of small plants. Now I want to tell you something about the leaves also. In last video I told you, leaves are green in color and they have different shape and size. Now just see. Now see, this is orange leaf. Okay, now see the shape of the orange leaf. Okay, now this is lemon. Now this is quite different from orange. And see, this one is hibiscus. This is very, see the side of this, they have some design at the side. Have you seen? Some zigzag. It's quite different, hibiscus leaf. And these leaves, they're like a flower only. Have you seen? Alamanda. This is quite different. And here you can see, this is jasmine. These also different leaves. So leaves also vary in their shape and sizes. Okay. Here I have few collection of small plants also. That means they are very small plants. See, it looks like a grass only. They are very soft. Okay, and see, here I have another collection of small plants. Now it is called Geranium. See, the stem is very weak and soft. You can easily break it. So this kind of small plants are called herbs. Now see, some collection of herbs are there. That means very small plants. So these plants are divided into three types: big plants, that is trees; medium-sized plants, that is shrub; and these are very small plants. This is herbs. See children, in my last video I showed you some pictures of different fruits with a single seed, few seeds and many seeds. Now today I am going to demonstrate all these fruits so that you will have a clear picture of it. Now look here. Here I have fruits with single seed, and now these are the fruits with few seeds. Here I have fruits with many seeds. Okay, now I'll show you one by one each fruit. Now see, this is mango and this is peach. Now here I have already cut it and kept. Now this is mango. See, very delicious mango. Do you like it? Yes. Now see, this is the seed. Now it has only one seed, okay, from this mango. And this is peach. Now see, this is peach. I have cut it and it has also only one seed. So these are the fruits with single seed. Now next we have fruits with few seeds. Here I have lime, and it is also commonly known as mausami, and this is apple. Okay, this is apple. Now this also previously only I have got and kept it. Now see, this is apple, and from this apple here I have got only 3 seeds. Have you seen? 1, 2, 3. There are very few seeds. And from this lime, from this one part I got here also only 3 seeds. Have you seen? 1, 2, 3. So these are the fruits with few seeds. Now next, here we have fruits with many seeds, but I have only one fruit. This is pomegranate. Now I have already cut it and kept. Now see, have you seen? These are the seeds. So many seeds are there. Have you seen it? This is small pieces. These all are seeds. So these are the fruits with many seeds. Now both children, you have understood that which fruit has single seed and which fruit has few seeds and which fruit have many seeds. I hope now you will get the clear picture of this seed. Thank you.